Hello, welcome to this channel. My name is Sabasi Freke Matudoka. Today I'm going to show you an amazing idea I got to know about Truecaller. Please, if you are a husband, a wife, a student, a friend, please, this video is for you. Don't skip this video. Make sure you watch it till the end, because this idea I'm going to share with you is what will help you keep you safe, especially in times that the country is not safe like this. So now there is one extension Truecaller have created that is called Guardians. For those of you that is not aware of the app I want to introduce here, is called Guardians. It's a Truecaller feature. Truecaller feature. Once you open your Truecaller, you will see it is written new. For some people that have not clicked on it before, it is written new on Truecaller. So it's a new Truecaller feature that helps you keep you safe. Please, if this video interests you as per the time I've taken, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you can always be notified each time I post a valuable video like this. So now let's get into our Truecaller. I'll open my Truecaller. So once you open your Truecaller, you head to this three icon by the left side of your phone, three strike. So once you get there, you will see this family safety. If you have not clicked on it before or do anything on it before, it will show the new, just like this. It will indicate the new. That means it's a new extension. So now let's click on it. Once you click on it, now since I've downloaded the application already, or I've gotten to do anything with it already, it's showing me here open. If you have not done anything with it, it will show you install. And once you click on the install, it will take you directly to Google Play Store for you to download it. So once you have downloaded it, let me just log out so that I can just show you. Once you have downloaded it, this is what you will see in the front there. Just show you Guardians. You can select language depending on the country you are and the language you can speak. So you can select language from here and then click on get started. Once you click on get started, this is what the message that will pop up. This is a demo introduction how you can use it. Instead, invite Guardians. Invite your family and trusted friends to watch over your location. You can share your location forever, only when needed. These are the two icons that are in this app. We have here watch over me and then emergency SOS. Watch over me and emergency SOS. This emergency SOS is for times when you know you are in trouble. It's for times when you know that you are in trouble. Maybe you are going to a particular place and you know that the place is not safe for you. Once you click on this emergency SOS, it will alert all your Guardians that you have added into your Guardians app. It will alert them that maybe something is wrong with this person. Please contact the person. So instead of you to call, you can just click on it and it will alert them immediately. Your location will be shared with them and they will get to know where you are and what is going on in that place. So now let's get started. If you are a Truecaller user, it will show your number like this, just as you are saying. But if you are not using Truecaller, you just downloaded this Guardians, it will need you to type in your number and then type in your phone number and then verify it. So just you just to click on it and that is all. Sign up. So after signing up, once the next thing that they will show you is to add your name and your year of birth. They'll add your sex and your year of birth. So if you are male, you add. If you are female, you add. After that one, this is the next phase it will take you to. So now what you will do here is to add Guardians through this icon. show this icon here, you can add as many guardians as you want. So once you click on it, it will now take you to your contact list. Once you get to the contact list, you just select the people you want to add as your guardians, as the people that will watch over you. So you just select them, and you can also search through here. You can search them through here. So once you just select, say my father, so you now click on invite. So once you have invite, you can invite as SMS, and you can also invite as WhatsApp, depending on what you want to. So to now tell them that they should accept your invitation. So once they accept, it will now indicate you yes, it has been added. So now if you are going to somewhere and you want somebody to watch over you, you just click on this. You will just click, you will just click on this watch over me. Watch over me. So once you click on it, since those people have not accepted their invitation yet, it will not. So once you just click on it, it will now alert them and share them your location, and share to them your location, and then they could it will now alert them, and then they will now be looking at where you are going to. So if as you are going to a particular place and the place is not feeling safe, you now click on this emergency SOS. So once you click on it, it will now alert them as if you are calling them, and it will not be one person, it will be all the alert. The alert will go to all the people you send invitation to, you add as your guardians, all the people you add as guardians. It will now send the alert to them that this person is not safe, check on this person, and immediately it will share your location to them, to share where you are to them. So, and if you want to add more, if you want to make your location look real, you can click on this icon. Once you click on it, it will add exactly how your place is. You can now see it has changed the background, and it's adding exactly how the location is, and the houses and every other thing that is around that place. So now that is that about this amazing extension, amazing Truecaller extension. If that video interests you much, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can always get notified, you can always get a valuable content that you need to run your daily life. Thank you for watching.